Yeah, brother, so lizard for live, man. More time you just have to chill out, you know what I mean? Watch you all fuss to them. Them just don't want to see you relax and have a good life. Watch how the whole of them a pray you. Yeah, man, step out. Because them not stop, you know. From you see them a look on your side, you see the whole of them out there, you know, say them a set for you, no, brother. You hear me I say? Move it, you know. Yeah, man, go and walk out. Just go and like say you know see them, but you have to go get ready for run. Because you see how them take time and come up on you. Brother, alright. You see what me I talk about? You need to run right now, you know. Run! Yeah, man, and that me I tell you what. Oh, you take so long for run, you not listen, you know. You're too stubborn, you know. And that with you, you know. People are telling you, say the whole vibe of them out there. You still there, they turn up and a look upon them. Run, man. Hurry up and broke the corner, man. You see what, more you not listen? Look how your friend tell you, don't go down there. And you still go down there, my youth. Oh, my God, man, you can't make mama prayers go in vain. The Psalms 100, the Psalms 91, the Psalms 27. You have to come out of that, youth. Yeah, man, find a loophole. Yeah, man, go straight up the hill right now. I bet you more of them round the corner and wait for you. That me I tell you, you know. You see where you can't hear, you have a feeling, you know, youth. Hurry up and go up the hill. It no matter if your foot matter about your brother. Go on up the hill, brother. Me I tell you, when you go up on the top, you can't rest. You can't rest like a bit, youth. Right now, you can't even look back. Hurry up, shake him off, man. Yeah, man, jump up, pull up yourself. Do it now, man. You see what, when you go to gym, youth? And that's with you now, you know. Youth, you see what me tell you if you did listen, that would reach you.